Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. So to start off, I'm gonna show you guys GIMP, and it can easily be downloaded. And so yeah, you can do pretty much a lot of stuff that what we could have done with Photoshop. So for an example, I'm gonna create a new image. So you just go over to file and and if when you click on advanced options, you're gonna find things like this, and you don't have to really think about all this here. So like, I'm gonna give you a basic understanding of everything. So the fill width means the background color, which like if you fill it with background color, it's gonna be like a solid image and nothing else. If you go with transparency, it's gonna have nothing in the background, which means whatever you make will not have a background, which you can. I'm just gonna go with background color and click on OK, and this is what I'll get. So if you click on the bucket tool here, and if you click, it's gonna become black because black was selected. If you go to effect, select red, and then do it again, it's gonna be red. All these tools here have different options. Like this tool here will like do this. Yeah, so on the right side here, you're gonna see something called layers, and layers are to explain what layers are. If you imagine that this is a painting, and like the background of all this is a painting, and over the painting, if you put a glass which is like the same size of your canvas, and if you paint anything over the glass, it will seem like it's a part of the painting, because it would seem like it's on the painting. And layers are basically that glass that you put over your canvas, and you can make layers transparent, which means the glass is you can see through the glass, and also you can make it solid, which means your paint will get like you can't see the painting anymore because the layer is solid. So most of the time layers are transparent, like, and background stays solid, like most of the time, but not all the time. And yeah, so I don't want to go into everything about GIF because I still have a lot to understand here. But if you feel like it's way too complicated, there are like a lot of tutorials on how to use this on YouTube, so you can learn there like in very less time. Once you know all the things that you can do with this, you can like make some pretty good stuff. But if you still think that you're not gonna be doing anything that complicated, and you want to stick to something a little more simple, which also can be done using something called paint.net, and they also provide a free software that is really good, and it's really simple. It's way more simple. There are a few limitations, of course, which you can't do with Paint. So there's this free version which you can click on here, and you can download it for free. Yeah, so once paint.net has finished downloading, you have to go over to the file and extract, and then as administrator, like double click. Would it make a difference? Choose an option here where custom means you will change where it's gonna get installed and stuff like this. I'm going with custom, and click on next, and I agree, and next. And you can make it as your default image editor for a lot of files. I'm not gonna do that, so yeah, click next, and then it's next, and it's gonna get installed. So once it's done, click on finish, and this is Paint. it's way more simple than any other like advanced editor, pictures editor, photo editors out there. You can add new stuff like new here. It has the layer options here, the color of panel here, so it's made for very basic stuff. So yeah, this is something I just wanted to show you guys, that it's like a good might be something that you might find useful, because it's still out, it's free, and that is Paint for you guys. I haven't. Alright, so and if you think you don't want to install Paint into your computer, you want to, like, for some reason you had to edit something on a computer that doesn't have Paint, and you're not, like, you might want to know this too. This is an online software where you can, on their website, if you go over to web app, I'm gonna go and launch the editor. So you have to make an account to do this. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video helped you in knowing a few things, and these are like pretty much the best alternate for Photoshop. And if you think none of this is working, and you might as well get Photoshop. But if you think Photoshop is a little too expensive, then this free similar software is gonna help you out a lot. And I'll see you again in the next video.